Snapchat, what is good, gang? Got a little package here, a little knifey knife. Do a little cut. Two. Alright. Now that for y'all. Y'all get to see it first. Bang. Wow. So, iPhone Red 14 Plus and a... They don't say the color, but that's obviously black. But the red on the side actually says red on the side. I love that. What is good, gang? Y'all know who it is. Today, got some iPhones. These here are all iPhone 14s. And two of them are the plus size, bigger screen, whole ½ inch bigger or something like that. It's actually 0.6 bigger. But yeah, today I'm gonna be unboxing the one that is for me. I thought the boxes was the same size, but they're not. You could tell which ones is the pluses and which ones is the regular. The regular screen is still 6.1, which is still a solid, nice screen. But the 6.7 is a big difference. Today I'm going to be unboxing this nice red one right here for you guys to see what actually all comes inside and how it comes. So as you guys can see, it comes with the red indication on the outside. So, comes face down. It's a good thing to know. They do that for obvious reasons. The back and front are both made out of ceramic, I believe. Whew. How beautiful is that? A little bit of product red information here. Oof. Fire. In partnership with Red, Apple will contribute a portion of your iPhone purchase to the Global Fund to support HIV/AIDS programs and help deliver an AIDS-free generation. Learn more or donate at www.red.org. So I just donated by my favorite color. That's cool. You know what they got in here for you. That good one-of-a-kind Apple sticker. Oof. Beautiful. I may or may not use this. It says, you no longer need a physical SIM card. Activate your eSIM during iPhone setup. For more information, go to apple.com/eSIM. 2022 Apple Inc. Cool. I'm not about to go through this with you guys. I already know how, but yeah, let's get to it. Let's take this off the screen. See what this good screen looking like. See how much battery it comes with. All that good stuff. They're letting you know in case you didn't know. Dang. Say product right on. I freaking love this phone. I cannot lie. I don't even really want to touch it. It's so nice looking. Wow. Whoa. It takes up my whole hand. Yo, what a cool phone, dude. No cap. This is a very, very, very cool phone. I am impressed already. Just the size of it in my hand, like. So if y'all want a little comparison, this here was my 10. So let's get them on something so I can really see this difference here. As you guys can see, the new product Red One is bigger than even this 10 Plus. The screen is bigger, which is amazing. English, United States, quick start setup manual. All right, now it's reading that it's actually connected. Okay, but yeah, dude, I cannot even lie. I'm very, 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 very intrigued and attracted and happy. This is definitely the right thing to go to. So from here, you're gonna have data and privacy, continue. They're gonna want you to set up FaceTime. So Face ID is now set up. Continue. Create a passcode. Okay, so now it's saying automatically waiting for other iPhone. Hold your new iPhone up to camera. Like that. It says position. Oh, okay. What they want you to do is to lock these two in. So you hold this over this. Find your nice. Finish on new iPhone. Okay. Enter passcode of your other iPhone. Cool. Transfer data, yep. So right now, they're both transferring data from one another, as you can see. And I'm gonna give it about, this one's saying 23 minutes, 21 minutes, 20 minutes, kind of catching up to that. This one's saying 14. So basically I'm gonna come back in this amount of time, 20 minutes. And yeah, should be all set. Okay. So it's been 2 minutes. And I'm just going kind of fast. Taking a little snacky snack. Right. Okie dokes. So it said, enter your iCloud password. And it says, make this your new iPhone. Here's everything set up as you had it on your other iPhone. Continue. Yes, please. Okay, guys. So it is later into the future a little bit, but as you can see, my information was successfully transferred. I deleted a few apps from my previous phone. I'll be giving this to my son, so I also added like some extra games, and there's also more room for him to add whatever games he liked. But it transferred every bit of information without me having to remember a thing. So that is the elite way to transfer from one iPhone to your new phone.